Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is May 4th, and we really saw some big action in the market today. And I gotta say, I love when I can do this, when I can reference a previous newsletter or something else that I've said and gave some good guidance and actually had that really seriously follow through on a day like today. So if you guys come over here, you should already be at profitpilot.com. But if you go and check out the previous one from May 2nd that was published that day, I was talking about over the weekend I thought the market was too bearish and that we need is some sort of spark to set off a short covering rally and a short squeeze. And that is exactly what we got today after the FOMC. But yeah, come over here. You guys can see everything that I was talking about and how it came to fruition today. So let's take a look at how that looked. Because as far as the charts go, this 15-minute setup was amazing. This is perfect Moxie setup and everything I talk about when I have classes, when I trade with the Moxie indicator, when I teach people how to use it, and when I give out a lot of information in the Moxie room. So if you guys aren't already subscribing, come over into the Moxie trading room. You guys can see me talk about this day in and day out and putting all this information in. And we loaded the boat today. So what I was seeing initially is that we've had price down and look at the Moxie indicator going up. That's that positive divergence that I talk about to see these reversals happening. And I was talking to my subscribers yesterday. I was putting out alerts and I was saying, hey, we should be seeing Tuesday as a balancing day because Monday we saw a pretty nice reversal, right? That was a big bounce off the lows. And so Tuesday, look, it's not going to get crazy. We're going to have it go sideways for a little bit. We need the moving averages to turn and we need price to basically run into these things. And then today I said, look, we're probably not going to get anything major going on until after the FOMC. And that's pretty much what happened. And it did dip down a little bit, but look what it did during the day. It came in here, it tested the 15-minute 50, and boy, did this thing just look primed and ready to go. And here you can see the Moxie indicator was above zero and looking positive as ever. So great trades. We've been short the UVXY, we're long the S&P, and today was a fantastic day. Now, I think that there's going to be a little bit more to the upside. Again, I keep saying I'm bearish on this market, but we're still going to be trading a short squeeze like this. So as I said, come on over. And if you guys like the way that I look at the market, then come join the team and we'll see you in the trading room. Thanks again.